smells good in here. Big tub. They making some of these trailers better than houses. You got the wardrobe in the bathroom and a wardrobe over here. The laundry room. Yeah, it's her laundry. Look at all this room in here. It's more room than my house and my master bedroom. Now look at the bathroom. Right here off the bedroom. All this room. And that long closet. Garden tub. This is cute. Too cute. Look at all that space. That is too cute. Man. Another guest bathroom. Spacious. There's a bedroom. Closet. A den. Bedroom. Closet. Jack and Jill. Toilets in there, but the washroom is out here. Bedroom. And a desk area. Man, why they making these trailers better than they making the houses? But you got one dens and 3 bedrooms. And look at the laundry room. There's all this space. Oh, wait, let me see what this closet is. It's a room closet. A little storage area. Kitchen and more kitchen. And my house has an island and the couch is too close. It's like not enough space in my house. I don't have a closet. And this trailer is bigger than my house. It's pissed me off. It's structured better. I wonder why they act like they can't make a house like good.
Alternator, clutch, you know, just all kinds
Does
of
the
stuff.
furniture and stuff come with it?
No,
Oh, okay. This is so pretty.
just the appliances.
You said okay, cause
So refrigerator, sheetrock walls.
what'd you say?
It's got the finished sheetrock walls
Oh yeah, okay.
and the heat and air conditioning.
Look at see in this bathroom. Oh my god! Look! Oh my god! Look at that tub and this storage.
Do you like big closets?
Yes, and then the shower is separate, and then this closet.
Yeah, it's really big.
Oh my god, that is oh.
That's a whole closet.
Another garden tub.
See, this has already been wind tested.
Oh, has it?
Oh yes, they all down that road out there to 70 miles an hour.
Dang. I look at the laundry room.
Yeah.
My laundry room is not that big.
With a plug in.
Oh, you can put a freezer over here.
Yeah.
Oh man.
And these second and third bedrooms are huge.
Okay. Oh, this is not a bedroom then.
Yes, ma'am.
Where's the closet? Oh. Oh my goodness, a walk-in closet and a guest bathroom. That's nice.
Same thing, it's just as big. Actually, this one's a little bit bigger.
Okay.
Bigger room, the same size closet.
Oh wow. Okay. They are making these better than they make in the houses. That don't make no sense.
Well, they're inspected by everybody in the...
Look at the bathroom. That's huge. And then the closet is in the bathroom. And then you got towels. I guess that's the master bedroom. Look at that. Look at that island. Wow, that's crazy. Now, I only like trailers for the aesthetics. I would want my house to be built like this. I wonder why they don't build houses like this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The laundry room is my laundry room is tiny. Look at this bathroom. Bedroom, closet, bedroom. Oh my! Oh, I just noticed this. This is what room was this? Oh, that's the laundry room. And you can close it. Close it off with a barn door. Wow. Got a fiberglass stairs, fiberglass staircase. Oh, this is not finished. That's huge though. Huge. They love those, huh? Yeah. This one got a porch. Oh, wow. It looked like hardwood island. Look at that closet. This is the main office. They got an underpin with bricks, but it looks like a regular house, don't it? It's cute. This is cute too.
5 bedrooms.
Okay. Yeah.
Office.
Okay. Okay. This is cute.
Yeah, it's a real pretty office.
Okay.